ਕੈਪਟਨ ਅਮਰਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਤੇ ਦਰਮਿਆਨੇ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਲਈ 2 ਲੱਖ ਰੁਪਏ ਦਾ ਸਮੁੱਚਾ ਫਸਲੀ ਕਰਜ਼ਾ ਮਾਫ ਕਰਨ ਅਤੇ ਕਰਜ਼ੇ ਦੀ ਰਾਸ਼ੀ ਤੇ ਗੌਰ ਕੀਤੇ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਰਮਿਆਨੇ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ 2 ਲੱਖ ਰੁਪਏ ਦੀ ਰਾਹਤ ਦੇਣ ਦਾ ਐਲਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਸੱਤਾਧਾਰੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਪ੍ਰਮੁੱਖ ਚੋਣ ਵਾਅਦਾ ਲਾਗੂ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਖੇਤੀਬਾੜੀ ਕਰਜ਼ੇ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਰਾਹ ਪੱਧਰਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿਧਾਨ ਸਭਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਭਾਸ਼ਣ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਇਹ ਐਲਾਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਕੁੱਲ 10.25 ਲੱਖ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਭ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ।
18.5 lakh farm households, ठीक है। Small and marginal farmers are 2/3 of this total, which is about 68 or something. Borrowing small and marginal farmers households are only 70%. Only 70% are borrowing, who have borrowed. We've got these figures from the banks. Others are not, which have borrowed. Total borrowing small and marginal farmers comes to therefore 13 lakhs. Entire crop loan waived 8.75 lakh small and marginal farmers. Total waiver. 100% waiver. And to the remaining 1.5 lakh farmers, we are giving 2 lakhs per farmer. That is A.
They are in which category, sir?
They will be in the upper category. And total number of farmer households covered by debt waiver is 10.25 as against 18.50. Neither does Bharat Chahal, nor does Amrinder Singh, nor does Suresh want to our loans to be waived. I think all of us should contribute, and it is all for the small farmers. And suicide affected families, total debt waiver we are doing of them, regardless of which category they belong to. जिथे उन्होंने किसी ने खुदकुशी की है उस टब्बर का सारा कर्जा सी। आई थिंक डिपार्टमेंट विल डू इट सानू पता है किन्ने वेल इट्स एनीबॉडी हु हैज कमिटेड सुसाइड टाइम इज नॉट द राइट।
देयर इज अ स्टडी बीइंग डन बाय 3 universities.
I know Punjabi University has done it, PAU has done it, so we are going to collect, and GNDU has also done it. We're going to get them all, and from that we'll find out. And for SC families and BC families, we are giving a debt waiver across the board of 50,000 rupees. So that is.
Sir, you have also announced the excise taxation policy, the new policy which will allow the sale of liquor on the highways. Do you think this will not be valid?
No, it is not sale of liquor on highways. It is consumption of liquors in hotels who are on the highways, not sales. The Supreme Court has banned the sale of liquor. Sale of liquor wins. But consumption, if somebody goes into a hotel and he consumes liquor, he can't buy a bottle and take it out. But inside the highways, in his bar or in his room, he can drink.
Ron, you've done 3 questions. Please, that's right. Hanji.
You have given this debt relief to the farmers. Would you like to speak, whether your government has something in mind so that they don't get back into the debt trap?
But only way of doing that is to ensure that the income goes up. And we are working closely with Israel for that and our own departments. We have created a horticulture ministry also, university. And this is all going to be to gear up to get the incomes improvement of those farmers so that they don't go back into this debt.
सर हमने देखा सर सदन में विक्रम मजीठिया और नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू आपस में काफ़ी पर्सनल हो गए, अनपार्लियामेंट्री लैंग्वेज इस्तेमाल की, तो सर क्या ये शोभा देता है आपस में? किस तरह जैसे लग रहा है जैसे जंगल में दोनों को खुला छोड़ दिया। डू यू थिंक कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए?
Well, it is Mr. Vikram Singh Majita should have kept himself under control. He shouldn't make these snide remarks. First remark was made by him, you know it. I think you must have heard it, all of you. And those sort of things are hitting below the belt, and he should not have said this.
गाली गलौज तक पहुंच गया सर?
नहीं, गाली गलौज नहीं, ये उन्होंने अपने, I don't want to say it anymore, but it was he had what should I say? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ ਸਾਰੇ।
Sir, ਬਾਹਰ से ਤੁਸੀਂ it's across the board, sir, all consumers 5 rupees
all consumers, all.